Hi kids, how are you? Let's learn the ABC. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now I know my ABC. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D A B C D. D is my favorite letter. E F G H E F G H. H is my favorite letter. I J K L I J K L. L is my favorite letter. M N O P M N O P. P is my favorite letter. Q R S T Q R S T. T is my favorite letter. U V W U V W. W is my favorite letter. X Y Z X Y Z. Z is my favorite letter.